Hello, welcome everybody to our channel Global Genesis. We talked earlier about using the healing frequency in order to heal our bodies. Now we are going to talk about the effect of electronics around us that are emitting EMF that harms our body, how we could counteract that effect. And it is a fun way we're going to do it. So I have Ibrahim here with me. He is gonna be my guinea pig here. And we're gonna try out something, an experiment that you could try at home. So I want you to flex your arm really strong, okay? I'm not a strong person, so we'll see. Okay, with both arms, and I'm not able to get his arm down. Now I'm gonna steal your strength, okay? I want you to hold to your cell phone. Could you call him? And the cell phone is gonna ring. This is emitting EMF into his body, and this EMF is stealing his strength. Okay, stop. Keep holding the cell phone.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna try with one hand, not
Okay.
with two hands.
Okay.
I was able to undo his arm with one hand, not with two hands. Okay, so I literally stole your strength now because you are holding to your cell phone. How could we restore back his strength to him? You remember we talked earlier about the alkaline water together with charging it with the Terahertz device. And I have already charged the water with the Terahertz device for almost 2 minutes. So this water now is completely charged, and we're gonna help him get his strength back. I want you to drink some and keep some in the cup. Okay.
Again?
Yeah, keep holding it because the charges that are coming out of here are passing through your body and you already drank some.
Okay.
So it should counteract the EMF effect. Now, flex your arm again. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Ooh, with both arms, I'm not able to get him to even bend. Okay, so as you see here, you could restore your energy back with using the Terahertz device. But we have to counteract his enormous strength now that he has. And I think somebody here has been waiting to get to do that for me. Come on, let's do it. Yeah. We got it. Enjoy everybody drinking the water, the energized water. Resonate to the right frequency and be healthy. Thank you.